guys, and welcome to Gigi's World. I'm Gigi, and today is 5 Ingredient Monday, which means I will be making a simple, inexpensive, and healthy meal using only 5 ingredients. So today I chose to make a healthier version of chicken Alfredo. So I will be substituting the pasta with zucchini. The 5 ingredients that I will be using are chicken breast, Alfredo sauce, zucchini, butter, and French bread. The price for all of this was under $30. So today I will be having a glass of wine while I make the meal. And today I'm trying out this wine bottle, which is a GMO-free wine, and it was only $12.99. Okay, so I've gone ahead and put my stovetop to medium so that I can go ahead and get started with the chicken, since that's going to take the longest to make. So let's go ahead and get started with cooking the chicken. Let's go. So here's my chicken, and it's just a little over a pound. I put it in the pan, and I'm just gonna add a little bit of salt on top. And I'm gonna let it cook for 5 minutes. And while it cooks, I'm going to go ahead and make the zucchini into pasta. So while the chicken cooks, I'm going to go ahead and spiral up the zucchini. I'm going to start by cutting the end off. I'll go ahead and cut the end off of 2. And then I'm going to get my roulette and make the pasta out of zucchini. So I'm just turning it clockwise and having it turn into spiral pasta. And this is a very fast process. And as you can see, this is what it looks like. Is that amazing? Pasta out of zucchini. Wow. And it seems like my chicken is ready to be turned over. So I'm gonna stop this for a quick second, and I'm gonna go ahead and turn it around. Okay, so I've turned my chicken all around, and I'm going to let it cook for another 5 minutes, still on medium heat. And while I finish the process of spiraling the zucchini, I'm going to go ahead and turn on the zucchini pan and add the butter, since this will only take about 5 minutes to cook. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of butter to the zucchini. Okay, so before I get started with this again, I'm going to try the wine and let you guys know how it tastes. That's good, I like it. Okay, let's finish up. When it gets towards the end, you want to go ahead and pull out the stub. Grab the other zucchini, put it in this way. This only took about 2 minutes to do, very fast. Okay, we're gonna pour it all into the plate and take it back to the stove and cook it. So here we are, let's go cook it up. Okay, so I'm gonna throw in the zucchini. I'm going to throw in the salt that I pre-measured, 1 teaspoon, and I'm going to give it a mix. I want to continue to mix it as it cooks, and I'm only going to cook it for about 5 minutes. And I'm going to get the sauce started on the next pan so that it can warm up. Okay, so here's the Alfredo sauce that I'm going to use. It is a roasted garlic Alfredo sauce, and it is homemade. So let's open it and put it in the pan to warm up. Let's go. Putting it in the pan, and now I'm going to let it warm up. And the alarm for the chicken just went off, so let's check on the chicken. About ready, and I'll be giving it another 2 minutes to cook. I'll give the zucchini a little mix, and it looks like I'm going to turn it off now. It's been about 3 to 4 minutes. So I'll turn it off and I'll let it finish cooking with its own heat. Okay, so I'm going to let the sauce warm up for 2 minutes, and during that time, I'm going to grab my bread and put it in the oven for a few minutes and have the butter that I'm gonna put on top melt. So, here's my bread. Okay, I'm going to do a few slices. This is French bread that I had sliced at Whole Foods. Okay, now I'm just going to add the butter on top and it will be ready to go in the oven, which I have already preheated. So it's ready to go. So let's go ahead and put this in the oven, and this is what it looks like. Okay, so the sauce looks warmed up. It's been about 2 minutes, and I believe that it's ready. So I'm going to just add the zucchini noodles in there and have them mix and cook a little bit. Okay. And I'm putting the bread in the oven for about 3 minutes. Then I'll take it out and the meal will be ready. Okay, so I set a timer on for 2 minutes so that I can go ahead and take the bread out then. So for now, while the 2 minutes are over, I'm going to go ahead and serve the pasta and put the chicken on top, and then I will let you guys know how it tastes. So let me go ahead and do that. Okay, so I've gone ahead and plated the meal. The healthy version of chicken Alfredo with French bread and butter. So let me go ahead and give it a try and tell you guys what I think. This looks delicious. Zucchini noodles with chicken. That is delicious. I will definitely be making this recipe again. Now, moving on to the bread and butter. Let me take a bite of that. This was one delicious meal. Simple to make, inexpensive, and healthy. Thank you for watching this video. Please go down below, like my video, subscribe to my channel, and ring the bell so that next time that I upload a video, you guys will be notified. Thank you. Bye-bye.